Hello, learners. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful career growth opportunities inside the government companies, the interdepartmental examination for the public sector undertakings. Whether you work in the Coal India, NTPC, ONGC, SAIL, WAIL, or any other PSU, this examination can change your entire career path. So let's understand the structure clearly. What are the interdepartmental examinations? These examinations are meant for the in-service employees who want to move from non-executive to executive post, from supervisor to officer level, or from the grade to a higher grade within the same department. So the examination are not for the outsiders, only for the internal candidates, and this makes the competition meaningful but also personal. Now, some common exam sections across the most PSUs. While every PSU has its own pattern, most interdepartmental exam cover the technical knowledge based on your department, like mechanical, electrical, civil, mining, HR, finance, materials, IT, or operations. Number two is the general awareness, including the PSU structure, government policies, energy sector updates, environment and safety rules, and the national current affairs. Number three is the reasoning and quantitative ability, basic logical reasoning, numerical aptitude, and the analytical thinking, essential for the decision making roles. And number four is the company rules and policies. This is the heart of internal examination, covers the conduct rules and discipline and the appeal rules, standing orders, leave rules, HR manuals, vigilance guidance, and the departmental SOPs. Some higher level examination also include the case studies, drafting and note writing, and the managerial aptitude. Now, why are this examination so important? Because in PSUs, promotions are not only based on the seniority, they are based on merit plus seniority. A good score in departmental examination can give you the faster promotion, higher pay scale, supervisory on managerial roles, and more responsibilities and the long-term career stability. This is your chance to rise inside the organization without switching the jobs. Now remember, this examination tests your competence, discipline, and readiness for leadership. At our institute, we provide one-to-one mentoring for the PSU employees, department-wise technical classes, mock case studies, complete rulebook capsules, small batch sessions, and the free support for the financially struggling. And PSUs are the backbone of India's development. So with the right preparation, you can grow within them and build a strong future. Thank you for listening. Let's crack the PSU interdepartmental exam together. Join us today.